Hello darlings, my name is Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hob. So, for lunch today I'm going to cook a very simple dish. For some reason Adam loves this dish and he said, oh, why didn't you do it for knob by the hob? I thought it was a bit too simple, but anyway, we're going to do it. So it's basically tuna pasta. So I use some tinned tuna, get some good quality tinned tuna. I just put some of my own olive oil on it, some tomatoes and onions, a little bit of creme fraiche, thyme, garlic, and that's about it. The only secret, if there's no secret, the only thing about what I like to do is I like to use really good quality pasta. Now normally we go to a deli, there's a lovely Italian deli in Cambridge, does the most amazing pasta. Dry pasta, but it's really good stuff, and I don't know whether that helps, but today, if you hadn't popped to the deli, I've got Tesco's finest Gigli. I'm not very good at my pronunciation, but it's quite unusual looking pasta. So I've got a big pan on boiling with a little bit of salt in it, and don't overcook your pasta, make sure it is al dente. So about 6 minutes to cook your pasta, and you see the shape on.
Oh, it's like a little flower.
Yeah, it's really lovely. So stick that in there, 6 to 8 minutes. I'll put a little bit of thyme. A little bit of those onion granules. That gives it a bit of extra flavour. A little bit of the garlic granules. I'll put some fresh garlic in as well. Just going to crush a couple of cloves of fresh garlic in. So now I'll add the tuna. Cook that through a little bit. Add the tuna. Depending now, I'd probably add a little bit more olive oil to it as well. Cook that through. Then I'd add not a lot, literally perhaps a tablespoon, like a big tablespoon of creme fraiche. But don't overdo it. And then finally, I'll obviously put this on once we serve it, but I'll just put a little bit of the Parmesan in there as well, as I add in a little bit later, and then just makes it a little bit even a bit more creamier, adds it's a nice salty creamy taste to it. And then that's it. Very precise art. Literally 1 second longer and it's like, well, not 1 second, but a few seconds longer and it's like not as nice. Right, okay, so pasta's done. It's been on about 6 minutes. Now when you drain it, leave a little bit of the pasta juice, the water in there. Don't completely dry it out. Leave a little bit of the pasta in there. Then plop that in there with your ingredients. As you can see, my famous Le Creuset Blue Pot comes in incredibly handy. Then really thoroughly mix that through. And I think the idea is well, sometimes we have, I think in the UK we put sometimes too much of there's too much stuff to go with the pasta, so don't overdo that, because the pasta should be kind of, really stir it through, get a good old coating of that. Then we serve that up, a nice little bowl. I put a tiny little couple of sprigs of thyme, a little bit more Parmesan, maybe a little drizzle of olive oil, and some black pepper. And there's a quick and easy lunch, a tuna pasta. So if you'd like to see more of our recipes, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel.